Ryan's new noise. What is that, Ryan? You can do it again? Are you looking for more food? Mama's coming. You sound like a Clydesdale. I can hold the camera still.
Does that mean you want more food?
Can you only do it with food in your mouth? It doesn't have to every bite. Look at that tongue.
You were a horsey in your last life.
Your tongue is so long you don't know what to do with it other than make crazy noises, huh?
Open.
One more time, Ray.
Keegan's looking at her like, what the?
Keegan, what the is that?
Got more.
Alright. Love you guys.